Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi everyone! Today, we're going to draw and color a funny clock step by step. Let's get started. First, I draw a large round circle for the front of the clock. This will be the main body of the clock.
Okay.
Next, I draw two small round circles on the sides of the clock case. These circles represent the clock's ears.
Nice.
Ciao, ciao.
Now, I draw two metal bells on top of the clock. I also add a small hammer between the bells. Then, I draw two funny legs at the bottom of the clock to make it look cute and playful. After that, I add digit marks around the circle to show the time.
Oh, nice.
Now, I draw the minute and hour hands in the center of the clock. Finally, I draw a happy mouth and two big round eyes to give the clock a fun expression.
Yes.
Now it's time to color. I use blue to color the funny legs at the bottom. For the clock case, I use a combination of deep orange and deep pink to make it bright and cheerful.
Nice.
The front side of the clock is colored yellow to stand out.
Nice.
Ciao, ciao.
I color the minute and hour hands using blue and light green. For the mouth and digit marks, I use red to make them pop.
Nice.
The two metal bells on top are colored red, while the stand is blue. Finally, I color the small hammer between the bells using orange and blue for a playful touch. And there you have it! A fun and colorful clock drawing. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun drawing and coloring videos. See you in the next video. Bye!